We're going to drive out to South Carolina to Moore Mafia to get a ECU flash and tune on their dyno. So we're looking forward to that. Let's take a look at some of the parts and the tools, and then we'll get busy. Hello everyone and welcome back to the NINJAof1 YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to do the first of 5 videos in the second half of the modifications build series for the 2024 ZX6R 40th anniversary edition. This modification is going to involve the entire exhaust. To begin, we're going to take off the fairings for today's video. Tomorrow's video is going to be the emission canister, the pair valve, and anything else that we got to work on. And then in the third video, we're going to install the full system exhaust. It may involve the radiator coming completely off. And then in the fourth video, we're going to reassemble all these fairings. And then finally, in the fifth video, we're going to drive out to South Carolina to Moore Mafia to get a ECU flash and tune on their dyno. So we're looking forward to that. Let's take a look at some of the parts and the tools, and then we'll get busy. Okay, so here are the parts. It's real simple here. We just got the full system graves, and it's all titanium. And then we have the block-off plates and the cap for the bottom of the airbox from PSR. And then, of course, I got the service manual for the ZX6R. And then a K&N performance air filter. And then what I have here are instructions that will be available to you via the description below, where you can click on a link. It'll take you to the NINJAof1 Google Drive. All right, and then over here we have the tools, and we got a couple standard Phillips head there to help take off some of those inner parts that are on the fairings. And we got a couple flat heads here to help with popping out those push pins. Got a couple panel popping tools. Got a a hat light there that I stick on my hat. Got a 4mm and 2.5mm Allen wrench. I've got a 5mm and a 4mm hex socket, 10mm and an 8mm socket. And then we have your standard 3/8 and 1/4 inch ratchets with extensions. And then I have a marker with some baggies for bagging and tagging the screws and bolts. So that's pretty much it, folks. We got everything we need to get started, so let's get busy. All right, we're going to start taking off the fairings, and I'm going to start from the front and kind of work my way back because they kind of overlap one another. So we're going to start off with these dash panels. There's 3 push pins, and then there's a normal size fairing screwed black without a washer. So let's get to it. have the base of the fuel pump resting on a rag and a 2x4, so that fuel line there isn't resting on anything. All right, here it is. All the fairings are off except the nose. I didn't need to take the nose off, in case you wanted to see what it looks like. That's what it looks like without the fairing. Looks really good here. Everything's good. Seeing a little splatter here on the radiator, no big deal. But everything looks good. Let's go check out the fairings. Okay, so here's all the fairings. Looking good. There's a lot of pieces here. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to move on to the next item, which is going to be the emission deletion. So we'll see you then.